Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. It is a bittersweet feeling when a company you own has a takeover bid for it. Now, the reason it can be bittersweet is because maybe the whole reason you are a shareholder of that company is because you believe of the potential growth of that company over the long term. And if the company is taken over, you can't partake in that growth. You won't benefit from that growth. The reason it's sweet is because typically the takeover bid will be at a premium and sometimes a significant premium to the current share price. And really, it has to be at a premium to the current share price because otherwise, why would anyone accept it? But on occasion, and this doesn't happen that often, but on occasion, the takeover bid is not at a premium to the share price. And that exact thing has happened to Pact Group on the morning of the 13th of September. It was actually one of the first announcements of the day, released at 8:13 a.m. Intention to make takeover bid from the largest shareholder of the company called Kin Group. Now, the current share price of Pact Group at the end of closing on the 12th of September was 67.5 cents. So I opened up this document and I was sort of shocked to see that this particular takeover bid was for only 68 cents. So a 0.5 cents premium to the previous day. So they have a controlling interest of over 50% impact. So obviously, they believe in the future of the company. Otherwise, why would they have such a significant holding? And then why would they want to take over the company? Now, they did give some reasons why they believe shareholders should accept this particular takeover bid. For instance, they say PAC faces challenging environment with supply chain disruptions, inflationary pressures, fluctuating resin prices, labor constraints, and macroeconomic uncertainty. Pact is now a smaller business with a reduced earnings base, etc., etc. King Group now controls Pact, and the prospect of a competing offer eventuating is highly unlikely. I'd say it's almost zero, and Pact is no longer in the S&P ASX 300 index and has low institutional investor support. So virtually saying that Pact Group is not that good of a company, yet they want to take it over. They also say here, just in the paragraph above these reasons, that King Group considers that the successful pact is best achieved under private ownership without the additional costs, market volatility, and complexities of being an ASX listed company. I would say that this is a ridiculous offer. And not only that, one of the guys associated with King Group is the chairman of King Group. I'm not sure if they mentioned it in this particular. Here it is. Yep. King Group's chairman, Rafael Jiminda, who is a chairman of Pact, has advised the Pact board of his conflict of interest in respect of the offer. And I believe the Jiminda family has a lot to do with Kin Group. So obviously, they have been interested in Pact Group for a while, and the share price has been tumbling forever. This is actually the weekly chart of Pact Group going back to 2014. Share price has fallen from $7 all the way down to 67.5 cents. So share price has fallen 90% in the last 6 years. So obviously they see some value. And the way they justify this takeover bid at a zero premium to the current share price is that this company is facing a lot of issues in the future. So you can't have it both ways. You can't say, we want to buy this company and then tell shareholders, well, there's no value in this company right now at current share prices. And that's exactly what they're doing right now. Pact Group have come out with their own announcement saying that the board of directors of the company are not in a position to make a formal recommendation to shareholders in relation to the bid. I'd be shocked if they say, yes, we should accept this offer because it's not a premium. Until the board has issued its formal recommendation regarding the offer, shareholders are advised to take no action in relation to the offer. The other thing I really found interesting is not sure shares are trading just yet. I'm recording this video just after trading has begun, but I just had a look at the depth, the buyer and seller depth. And you'll notice on the buying side, 172 million shares are in the buy side at 68 cents. So that is Kin Group wanting to buy shares. But just above that, at 69 cents, 69.5 cents, and 70 cents, we have some large bids on the buy side. So the share price of Pact Group will open up higher than 68 cents. So there is a chance that this takeover bid won't go through based off what I'm seeing on this depth in the buy and sellers. But there is a chance the share price will slip back to 68 cents and King Group will gobble up some of the shares of this company. So that is why, actually, if you have a look at the order, and go all the way down to 68 cents. You're 163 million shares in the one trade. So that is Kin Group. And yeah, I mentioned before, 69 cents, 69.5 cents, and 70 cents. There are one bid at each price level for 5 million shares. I wonder who that is. Let's see if shares are trading yet. Nope. So time is 10:08, and who knows how long shares are going to be suspended. Not suspended, but not trading just yet. So really interesting goings on with Pact Group. Wonder what the shareholders think of this particular takeover bid. Wouldn't be surprised to see a few shareholders selling on this particular takeover bid, because the share price does open up 5%. Maybe that's enough for shareholders to unload their shares, particularly if the board comes back and recommends to shareholders they accept this offer, which I don't think they should, but who knows? Management of companies are doing weird things in relation to takeover bids. E-Road, I might do a video on E-Road. They knocked back a takeover bid at something like $1.20, $1.30. And then a few weeks later, or maybe a few months later, they did a capital raising at about 70 cents. Significant discount to the takeover bid. They knocked back the takeover bid, saying it undervalued the company, and then they did a capital raising at 70 cents, significantly lower than their takeover bid. That was really weird from management of that particular company. So if you are a Pact Group shareholder, I have been in the past, not anymore. This is a low-quality company. I don't see much value in this company at current prices, but if the share price did fall a significant amount from here, maybe I could see some value. Very little growth, really weak margins, the very definition of low-quality company. I'm a little bit surprised that Kin Group is really after this company, but maybe they do see value at a market cap of 227 million. It says PE ratio 3.7, but that could be a little bit misleading. So if you are a shareholder of this company, what do you think of this particular takeover bid for Pact Group by Kin? So leave your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.